Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another video of GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair, where our job is to save you money. So we're working on 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe with a 3.3 automatic front wheel drive, and the customer complained that this vehicle has a hard start condition only after filling out or adding gas to the fuel tank. So beside that, it randomly doesn't want to start, but they noticed that with after adding gas to the tank, it don't want to start. Okay, so we took a look, and one of the things that we found here it is code P0441 EBAB emission insufficient purge. Alright, so in this case, what's happening here with this code, the first thing, if you have something like this, okay, it's no bad at all. The purge solenoid goes right here, okay? It's just power and ground. And what's happening here, this solenoid is normally closed, okay? So this is the hose come from the tank, from the canister. This goes to the intake. So obviously when the vehicle is running, this is creating vacuum and it's closed. So the computer gonna command the solenoid open, and this is gonna open. So it's gonna pull or purge some of the pressure on the gases or the vapors on the fuel tank inside to the intake. So therefore it's gonna burn it, so that with those gases or that vapor doesn't go to the atmosphere and damage the ozone. Okay, so in this situation, okay, the problem was with that, it is the solenoid is not sealing correctly. Okay, at one point this solenoid was open. Okay, it was a completely flow through it, so you can actually put a hose here so I could create vacuum with it, and should be able to hold vacuum. Okay, and this one didn't. Now here you can see this size a canister, so there's no way you can well, probably you could, but it's very difficult. Somebody put it backwards, okay, because the cable, the wire here is very short. So if you put it the opposite way, it won't work. And you just need to remove this connector, needle pliers to remove the hose clamps. 1, 2, remove it, test it, and if you find that this is not sealing correctly, you could have to seal. All right, and if it doesn't, more likely this is your issue with that code and with that symptom. So I don't know, right there it should be totally closed, nothing, and you probably can hear on the video, so that's not good. Anyhow, I hope this short video helps somebody there with that kind of situation or problem, or maybe with that code. Also, nevertheless, make sure you check that the hoses are not cracked, that there's not anything holes in it. Sometimes happen, they can get very brittle and break, and it's starting to do the job. Anyhow, so short video for you guys. We're gonna clear the code already, add gas to the vehicle, no problem whatsoever, and it's working good. So if you haven't done it already, please, we'll appreciate it if you go hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you can be notified every single time that I upload a video. Leave your comments down below and questions. I will do my best to answer them, and thank you very much for checking the video. I hope everybody have a good weekend as usually, and always do your best, forget the rest, find the evidence, and God bless you guys. Have a great weekend. Later.